Matthew 22:20, and he said unto them, whose is this image and superscription? Because they're trying to set him up. And obviously the image is whatever coin any place where you're at. There's going to be an image of the current ruler, or, approximate ruler, and with like 50 years or something. Because they had the forefathers on the dollar bills mostly. All forefathers of the United States. And then if you go to Mexico, you have the fathers on the pesos, and then you have the Mexican eagle, and then you have on the United States coin the American one. So Yahushua is telling them, whose is this image, and what does it say, and what is it talking about? It's talking about Rome, right? And Caesar. And then that was the way that they trick. But you can't trick the master. Come on. But that was a slick question, and that's like vocab Malone type of question. Matthew 22:21, they said unto him, Caesar's. Then saith he unto them, render therefore unto Caesar the things which are Caesar's, and unto Yahweh the things that are Yahweh. So that's why this California economy is making these people upset, because they're doing good so far, but it's because they're not giving back. It says right here, economy of California. The economy of California is the largest in the United States, boasting a 2.746 trillion gross state product as of 2017. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. And Lowe's is getting closed down. Lowe's is closing down Osh because they brought in 68.6 billion, and the Osh branch only contributed 600 million. That's the 0.6 on the 68.6. That's weak. So there's a lot of things going on right here. California is a state that makes the most revenue, so they gotta pay the most taxes. As a sovereign nation, California would rank the world's 5th largest economy, and there's always talk about that. Oh, let's secede from the United States, become our own nation. That'd be fucking cool for me. Why? Because that'll make more white people upset, more Edomites upset. Because you guys are complaining that California's the largest economy, you have decent jobs, but you want more money. And look at, man, I took a 4-cent pay cut, just keep it. And then they said, good boy, nigga. You made it through. You get your 4 cents back since you didn't complain like a good nigga. I got 4 cents back. I didn't get shit. I still got a job. Still paying my bills. Still raising my roosters. Still teaching the truth. And I just barely started going out on the streets, and I was studying for a while. So, that's thanks to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. California would rank as the world's 5th largest economy, ahead of the United Kingdom, but behind Germany. California is also home to some of the most valuable companies in the world, including Apple, Alphabet Inc., and Facebook. But we ain't seen that shit, and I haven't got a raise. I haven't got no damn raise. I'm not getting any. If they're making this much fucking money, why keep taxing me? Let you know why. This is the New American Standard Bible, and I have that Bible, and I have the King James. When the righteous increase, the people rejoice. So, state of California is the fifth largest economy. I mean, if it in the world, to say it like that. So how come we ain't rejoicing? Because, but when a wicked man rules, people groan. And it says people. It doesn't say righteous people. It's talking about everybody. Now let's get the King James. When the righteous are in authority, oh, the people rejoice. But when the wicked beareth, the people mourn. See, and it says a cross reference over here, Job 34:30, that godless men should not rule or lay snares for the people. Well, not in the kingdom, but right here it is, and we all know why. Job 9:24, the earth is given into the hand of the wicked. He covereth the faces of the judges thereof. Not where and who is he? Part of that covering is distorting the truth. See, if you're a ruler, you're supposed to keep your people fed. But this guy doesn't want to do it. So now let's look at how does job loss affect a community. So let's say 4,300 jobs. I think this shit is. Alright, so Lowe's is closing 99 locations of locally bought stores in 2013, and they earned 68.6 billion. Lowe's earnings were 68.6 billion. It was just recently released. Osh branch of that company made 600 million, which is nothing. California's making trillions. Everybody's making all this money, but you ain't seeing none. Nobody's complaining about that, so let's find out. Job loss can be devastating for those who find themselves suddenly unemployed. Routines, income, and relationships can change overnight. The impact is not limited to those directly affected. The community connections we share spread the consequences and touch the lives of all. At the height of the 2007-2009 recession, unemployment peaked at 10%. That did not include people working below their skill level. The problem continues in what is recovery. So let's see. The financial burdens. So you won't be able to pay your bills. We already know that. Let's just skim it right quick. Alright. Relief for the unemployment. The cost to the government to provide unemployment compensation rises with job loss, as do the expenses of other safety net organizations, both public and private. As of 2013, 47 million Americans were using food stamps. 1 in 7 in the 5-year period beginning 2008, the height of recession. The number of people using food stamps increased by 70%. Demands on state community services also increased at a time when over 500,000 public sector jobs were lost. So you're going to lose jobs, and the demand for relief is going to increase. And I work at a place that's a non-profit organization. It doesn't pay too much, but I get to do kickback work, basically, put it like that. I ain't putting too much strain on my body, so that I can stay up late and study and make videos. And also, we went to camp today, so there's going to be camp videos coming up. The impact of unemployment can be felt by those who retain their jobs as well. They go to work and see the empty desks or locker and feel badly for their lost coworker. They also wonder who will be next to go. Right? So I've been there, done that. And Esau doesn't do that. They have the burden of picking up the workload. Their former co-workers. The balance of power in the labor market shifts to the employers, who can now demand more from their workers. See, so now there's going to be more work for you to do. So if you're that lazy person that doesn't have anything to do all the time, and then that someone else is always busting their ass, like me, I'm always busting my ass. I'm never asking for shit to do because I always keep myself busy. So the person that's not doing anything, because people pass by the cubicles, they look in my cubicle and they see, oh man, this beaner's working hard. He's working his little brown ass off. Damn right I am. And what about this person? This person is on social media or company time. Better give her something to do. Give him something. Esau's gonna fire your ass. So the burden goes on to the community. Okay? So if even those little jobs that are being lost right now, they're gonna affect the community. Right? So, I hope that was edifying. You know, when the righteous are in rule, everybody's happy. Nobody's happy right now because the wicked are in rule. The wicked are the Edomites. So I hope you were edified. Until the next time I say Shalom.